that's that. Just some nice photos for Facebook. Oh, this turn. The downhill, knee downturn place thingy. I don't like it. Them bugs are pissing me off right now. Oh no, that's downhill. They fix this road up, this would be a heaven road for motorbikes. But currently there are some better roads. This isn't that great, to be honest. Especially these road surfaces here. Really shitty road surfaces. Oh, truck! Oh! So that's where the shit. Oh! No! Oh, it's coming towards me! So do you? You better not have shit on my leather or my motorbike, or I'm coming back and I'll whoop your ass. Oh, f me, you're going fast. You're going fast. You scare me. You scare me, is what you do. How sharp is this turn? It's alright. Not too bad. Not too bad. I wish there were no trees or hills so you just could see the whole road, you know, A to B. So you can see every corner, you know, what's there at the end of it. That's never gonna happen. Not in this country, at least. Just you go straight. Okay. Okay, sir. As you tell me, Mr. Sign. Still going straight, I guess. Petrol station there, which I don't need. Oh! One bar went down. There was like, what? 1, 2, 3. 6 more remaining. 7 more remaining. Wait, let me count. Can't see. 1, 2, 3. That's a bad idea. But count once they stop. I'm also trying to get rid of my music addiction. Just a wee habit I got was riding scooter alone. You know, you get lonely, man. I keep using my hand to like sort of tell people or signal people. I keep forgetting how the little pass button now. Just never had that on my scooter. So I need to get out of the habit of waving my hands around because I need to hand the clutch just in case. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Really in my face, even though I have a mirrored lights there. It's not helping that much. Can imagine what it would be like if I didn't have it on. Oh shit, no. I think I'll keep this on. Just in case any bugs try to fly in my face. There's another lake here. Very glossy road, which I don't like. Turn upcoming. Slow moving vehicle. Let's brake. Let's brake. Constant brake. I think I'm nearing the city now. Yep, it's this piece of road here. I don't know what happened here. I don't know if a harvester went through this road or what, but it's just those, what do you call them, the wheel lines? Forgot the term. They're really for motorbikes. So I'm just gonna start tailgating this dude. That's all good now because we're in the city. Experience nice engine brakes, so we're doing no more than 30-35 on the released throttle. People having their MOT now. Whoa. Holy shit, no, that's a boomer. It's a bit too black. I guess you could call it the black edition. Hey. This guy's topic. That's the police. That's the police place right here. It's like an army fortress, because it was once. It's a nice engine brake. Try and balance this. There we go. Just use our body weight. See, engine braking. We're doing 20 miles an hour. It's not like I have to use the brakes constantly or anything. Yeah. Okay, we're doing good. Take this lane. Oh, nice car. Nice car there, but not a nice car there. Clutch control. I can never pick out smoothly of this bike. Oh, that didn't even hurt. I didn't even feel it. And also the big wheels help as well. So I absorb that. Ah, yes. Oh, shit. Just when I get comfy. Okay, let's do this now. Let's do this properly. Well, that sort of worked.